Being outdoors, surrounded by nature, I feel absolutely grounded. This is where I can feel the earth beneath my feet and take in all the beauty that's around me. Going for a hike through the woods or a run along the river helps me release all the stress I've picked up during the day. It gives me a chance to disconnect and get a fresh view on things. Most hearing people would never think of this, but the trails at this park are especially wide, which is great for people who speak ASL. We can walk side by side, and that makes it easier and safer for deaf people to communicate. It would be wonderful if our leadership and our politicians would go to the parks and try to experience them through the lens of people who are deaf or hard of hearing or have some other disability. Maybe it'll help them understand our experience and focus on accessibility. Because really, it's a question of fairness. Our parks are for everybody, and everybody should be able to enjoy them.